So now I'm sitting ukudla khona ngize ngakudla manje because bengisuthe pardon me bengisuthe ngalesa sikhathi. So I was like, yeah, my dad. A double burger, double patch. Lokuthi kube neguma lenyama, kuphinde kube neguma lenyama. Ngazawethu. Thiwa yini lokho asemekde ukuthi kube nenyama bese kuphinde kube nesihlukanisi kuphinde kube nenyama futhi. Ileyo nto ngaba futhi cheese, not chicken, cheese. I mean, no, what you call beef. Yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, well. Thank you. Try in there, Becca is gatless. Hey, someone, man, how's it? In fact, let back up. It was expalatory, chef's kiss. Talmente, something like that. I have a question. Can I ask? I don't know. Can you? You have a question. May I? English. So yeah, man, it was nice, man. It was nice. It was an experience. Some dala umakay luziyalova lo live lo wasikhipha mina noseswami uMamthembu wathi zingane zakwaMthembu yabo sakhishwa nje sawubuka imovie edulayo imovie le ubuka imovie ku IMAX wayibuka imovie ku IMAX wena lutho yeah phakathi wayikhulunywa nangulesi phakathi wayo vela phakathi wayo nakho bekhuluma nawe yes imovie wayibuka ku IMAX IMAX awazi bekwasinima leyo yeah siyibuka phi imovie Mall of Africa. That's la person called pen. Yes. Hlala ibuka ifilimu angudli kuphe khona mina. Adlala kama Skittles, is it Skittles or what? Yeah. Smarties. Adla ama Smarties. Nesludge. Yabo. Phepha khona nje ngeke uzumbone ngiyala. So yeah, if a woman slaps a man, should he retaliate based on the conduct of South Africa? No, because now that will be identified as gender-based violence. As much as we speak of equal rights in South Africa, so yeah. No, best way is just move away from the situation. Yeah, well, more retaliator in a way that more shy, but amandla, like you overpower the person. Yeah, but either you hold or whatever that you can do just to overpower them. Good, bengabi naleya lokhuzana. Ungabe usuthi ekushaya impamba bese nawe uthi ufuna overpower umthathe ngokhizi drank great wine and pizza. Uyayizwa ke le. Yes. Saphuma nje bakumnandi lapha eMall of Africa. Yeah. No, but because let's be realistic when it comes to South Africa. Izinto zikanje. Our right as a person, as a human being, suffice goes with irresponsibility. In terms of equality, in terms of equality, we don't have equality. Most in the gender space, being male or female, we do not. The hierarchy has changed, even in financial assets. If I'm not mistaken, if I'm using the correct word there. Ekuqaleni abantu besilisa bebehola kakhulu kudla abantu besifazane. Then kwase kuba into yokuthi akube 50-50 behole ngokufana. But right now kukhona imisebenzi efanayo from different what you call what governments, ne? And also the municipality angisho njalo. Kukhona imisebenzi efanayo yenziwa abantu besilisa yenziwa umuntu wesifazane same work, but umuntu wesifazane ahole kakhulu, umuntu wesilisa ahole kancane. So it's intertwined. I saw a video in the video, the woman punched a man in the face and she got knocked out. Oh, well, and whenever for ezinye zezinto okumele sikhumbule ukuthi in terms of emotions and all of that as well. And adrenaline, as much as we ngasho in time now have self-control, adrenaline mongakwazi ukuyicontrola lento leyo ukuthi, remember adrenaline prepares you for fight or flight. So uma kwenza something and your adrenaline picks up ukuthi fight manje, yabo, and your reflexic arc, what's that neuron, motor neuron, once those reflectives what I forgot the name, man, yabo. Then ugcina umuntu uzomthinta vele ngenduku kabuhlungu, yabo, kanti inhloso bengayona leyo, yabo. So ezinye izinto zidinga ukuthi uzame ukuyicontrol. People always say, I mean, I have self-control. Ayikho lento leyo. Mfowethu kuya ngokuthi umuntu kuhluthule kangakanani. Khona ezinye circumstances differ, thus leading to ilokhuzana indlela uzoreacta ngayo. Yabo. Mina nje ngizokwenza an example. Umjida uyintombazana wangikhombi mina la ongithinta nje. Yes. Yabo mina kanje nje. Ungivula nje, hawu, uginqa phansi. Anginendaba because I understand it. Yini lo usuhlula ukuyikhuluma uzongikhomba uzongithinta wes la ungiphusha nje uthi wena awungeke phetha. Yeah. So as much as I will try and say I mina futhi kanjani ngeke futhi. It's my pineal gland uzongiphusha kanje. Ukuvuza phansi mina. Yazondela. So ilento engizama ukuyiveza ngoba ngisho kanje bafuna ngiveza ukuthi abantu ba react ngendlela engafani. Yeah. Anti lento ifana lokuthiwa i-road rage. I-road rage ungathi wena unayo kanti unayo. Yeah. Yabo nje mina ngizokwenzela example. Mina ngiyangicasa ukubona umuntu ebhayiza emgwaqeni. Umuntu mfethu yabo ngiyambona umuntu ono L. Yabo. Standard procedure, you have to give them allowance and assurance ukuthi they are safe, they can drive ngendlela abadrive ngayo. Yazonto leyo. Yabo. Kodwa umuntu nje obhayiza wena mfethu umuntu athi uya drive location chamaleni uthi uyangena usuyam overtake abuye futhi. Yabo lo muntu uyakusukela loyo. Yabo. Uzothi awuthi hayibo ubuye ngapha alokho kubuya ngapha lo muntu akuhlobelo ngifayini hlamvu. Fayini hlamvu alokho yale kakhulu pheqa uthi edile into le. Yini inkinga ngoba manje I understand ukuthi wenzani. Yabo. Hey Lethabo. Nabafowethu. Mkhaya, I got the lokhuzana. I did make a video I posted. Is strong le. Hey, strong guy. Madness auto. Lenga ngisho ke mina nje bafaka auto what. Le auto ntontoni. Is still auto madness. Shun. Abo. Ngibuya kwi video yakho ugeza ngana amaqakala. Inye into egeza ngayo mina Lux liquid. Yeah. Enye into yona iwelethu iya ngokuyithanda lento le. Yabo. iwafero in sense wayiferrari amagama phela anzima sithi mkhwepha hayi ngikhaya ngiyakutshela la kokhala oma wengane la yezo ngiyobashela bonke emsebenzini yezo ngeke ngikhuluma kakhulu ngizofika ngithi ijacket le yasemsebenzini ngithi oh my god ngibaqede sibonge bamthembu no intense audio angazi lotha ama perfume mina ngabe ngidlala ngabe engayisebenzisi lento mina for like 6 years yeah personal asiyagula sinuses usibona nje wena sikhuluma amakhala ujent oh my god waze uthwenga isingisi lutho siyafa mkhaya ngenhliziyo yami yonke mkhaya yabona nje kumanje mina ke angazi noma mina ngiyifutha la perfume yezo la ngizwe la nginuka yona umzimba wonke yezo kusasa ngoba ngena futhi ngoqala khona la khala ikona izidufuzo ezihlapha ezizuthu azingithandi go ngofuna ngithi hi ngifuthela ngithi yabo live swell oh my god try it out please it's 3000 but it's worth 3000 yibo uzuthi it's worth it mina kwamina I'm worth 3000 yes thank you so much for the rose ngicela ukunuka yibo oh kwamina for low 3000 ngiyiwo uzongihlola yami I lord mfowethu anginayo imali the tobacco cologne I will love gaza uthi manje namakoloni nginikeli ngike nginuke kahle nje unyaka wonke uthi lo muntu mina ngizwa lo muntu uthini hello hi Anela so nje eyibo what's your favorite food usu tribe 3000 hey do you think the smell of pregnant plays a role in getting a woman interested well you said do I think all the time I do think but with that no because listen to this here's a tobacco nkhaya let it tobacco yes later with this thing on above scent is very important body scent is very important before we come to the catalyst you know body scent I believe women react more to body scent yakho yabo then they recognize the cologne ozuyisebenzisa kahle kahle kule video mkhaya endlela engedithenga ngibhedile ngithenga ama perfume kubhaliwe vele perfume ama cologne la bona perfume lento yakhe yase pep loyifutha ayithi ephele nya lokho ama body spray le is cologne so body scent is very important yes because they will want to recognize you before they recognize the scent the perfume onayo yebo futhi nje ukunuka nje kahle elisale roomini kuyimalini nanga umkhala uzophendula yebo nokugeza nje kubalekile ba ilokho engishoyo ukuthi iscent it's very important nanenye lokho nina nuka kahle manje dodwa imlomo yenu hayi ubhema insamo la ubhema ugwayi la umlomo wakho ugcwele intuthu sawubona sithandwa uthanda ukukhuluma namagama no P awuphuma ntombi awupaulish nokisa ugwayi into ongane abantu esiyabuza yibo manje lo mkhwepha shoba yabo so nje kubalekile try I lie it's 250 kwena yabo so nje ukuba clean nje intombazana futhi yazi ngakuthanda ukuthi clean yabo mina ngikahle kusana nomnyusisi I was still in university at the time well bese singahlekisa nje sasixoxa nje yes basho ukuthi uyahleka ke so lasizo uyazi at the time ngangisayivutha wona ama perfume lawo uthi hwa yabo into ayihlezi abe na challenge ngami efendlini ukuthi this guy is clean yes lapho ngangilala kwi single bed yabo bese bawusasikoleni bethu yabo single room single bed and a single bed the more student une single bed une single room with student owazi ukuthi u chief yabo manje MC ayikho right for summer oh yeah so lanto mazana mfethu yazi yakhuluma kumngani nayo yathi imfana yabona I struggle manja ku case because the guy is too clean is clean ngeke uthole nje uclean is clean yes so sengitshela usizi mina lo ngana uthi phela ube struggle isho lokhuzana sesitshela nje sesixoxa after uthi ube struggle isho phela lokhuzana uthi ube struggle isho uthi yeah uthi mfethu you are clean nje from ukungena eminyango endlini yakho kunwa kahle nje you cook is there uthi mfethu you are clean you're too clean for yena besaba bekumele nje enze sure ukuthi impahla mezovya kuwe it's either uyiwashe kahle wayifaka stay soft uzoyifuqa ngama perfume ngathi mina kusisi ngathi mina yazi konke lokho uma thina I'm too clean ukuthi lo muntu lo phela wenokuba yinoku kuphela lo njengokwamfana ayilutho ukwamfana is beyond right soluzo usule nesicapha ayingeke enze ngilunge mina hawu mina phela ngine OCD yes ingqondo yami izongitshela lokho akuhleli kahle ngikulungisa lo usula uyasola manje ayike usula kwasani uyasula uyasula mhlawumbe indwangu ezo50 zokusula nje manje nje right yena for osisi laba bathanda ukuyosulwa onisula umfowethu yes uyasula la muntu sorry uyasula kabuhlungu and abamthanda yabangazathi mina ngiclean ngendlela hayi futhi hayi ngendlela yami ngendlela nje right phela umuntu mayethi ngiclean ngendlela yami owazi ukuthi yinoku lena nabathi ngiclean yazo nje futhi mina mozohlekisana nami uzoyiza ipressure ukuthi cha kumele ube clean mawuyinuku uzoyizwa nje ipressure la kumele ngibe clean la yabo nganza wethu ukuthi cha uyinuku uzozwa ne yabo khwepha lo next door wayethela sunlight liquid phansi wasegijimisa imopho yadlula mina ngathi hawu hey so basically a woman has to be an OCD to be with you has to be no wena shutha ungizwa have you stayed with a clean person before yeah my biological mother hey she's clean fan she's my mom yo uma bezo akayithanda inyova yabo my mom taught me ukuthi cha umuntu nje sinakekele yes sinakekele la ndlela nginayo wardrobe yeke umbheja wami ngoba phela ngizapho zahlala headboard yabo kodwa nje la ndlela nginayo wardrobe kodwa ungafela endlini ngeke uthola impahla intaza uthola iande sile lutho eziclean zingapha zodwa ezingcolile zikubasket yabo nje ngoba kuyisathale kusasa sengithatha konke ukubasket ngiyokwasha ngiyabuya ibasket empty ngiyawubeka. Lokho bengigqokile ikhona ukuthi ungcolile sengikufaka ibasket. Nje impilo nje injalo nje. Yeah. So this means when you get married, you're not the kind person, women. You're not the person, able. You're not the kind that expect, yeah, both like on the wrong. To clean after me. Well, it's not about getting married, it's about to clean after a person. It's caring also. Now, clean after a person, it means you don't care. If now I was clean for you, it means you don't care. You need someone to actually clean for you. No globe. So it's not about marriage. Marriage is out of the picture. Hence I made a video ngithi mina bodade wethu uma umva uzomvakashela uthola indlu yakhe ihlezi ingcolile akakuthandi lo muntu loyo. Yabo, akakuthandi lo muntu loyo ngesizathu sokuthi akakuthandi lo muntu. Reason being why azolinda kufika wena bese kuwena ocleanayo. Are you a maid la noma niyashandana? I'll clean for you. For you I offer awubakeli. Yabo. So mina mfethu ukucleana ukuba clean ngiyancoma nje. Yabo. Stalo. No. This guy's clean. Mina nazemsebenzini kusho bona cha intwana uclean. Angigqoki impahla ezibizayo angakayi afford vele. Iqonda simple uqoqa blue wena well tipazise lapha. Askes utipazise blue ngensipho. Uthi stay soft, masiqeda uwasha, ulineke lapho ubuye ulayine, ulifold ube kahle neshirt ngokunjalo. Sathi uyagqoka usungena unuka kahle bathi hayibo. Yona mfowethu. Noma ukhuluma necustomer, nina niyanuka futhi ninjalo nje. Ukhuluma necustomer la umuntu unuka ikhwapha futhi uya direct customer. So this car ikhwapha libophele velibona customer dala umuntu ehlukile lo. Yabo. Kumele mfowethu uyabona uma ukhuluma necustomer lizwe ukuthi cha lo muntu unephunga elimnandi. Yazi une perfume strong libona icustomer yabona angihambanga indona ro. Ukhulume nawe futhi yabo likuzwe futhi ukuthi lo muntu lo perfume i-right umlomo u-right nje wami hawo bakethi inkulunkulu wami hawo bakethi yabo ukhulume nje napho yabo mina khona owathi Madleka you have so much confidence lapha emsebenzini silento ekuthiwa i-check in every Monday bese siba lento ekuthiwa i-check out every Friday, meaning masifika Monday sifithi hi guys, I had a beautiful weekend. Hoping for the best this week. With that being said, I'm in. What's the answer? Similar to this, the basic try. You're welcome, isn't there, Anja? I want to call my friend. But is this? Hi guys. My weekend. Yeah. Well, so hi guys, how are you? Are you guys okay? Yeah. Well, I don't do that. So now, man, I have to wake up. Yeah. What's the Anja? So if you carry that same energy, if you approach a person. Ufika lapha uthi yabo ufika lapha in fact we are energy, we project energy also yabo ufika lapha kumuntu, hi sir, how are you, how can I assist you this morning? Yabo mhlambe umlungu ozoyicheckela nje imoto, umlungu uyathanda ukukhuluma nomuntu o enthusiastic yabo. Hi sir, how can I help you? Yes, abonjamla ngayikhondle abantu hayikhona umuntu uyikhathalela lo uthatha ibihlaba nje weekend yabo yabo kodwa mawufika lapho uthi good afternoon sir, how are you, my name is Tararata, as you can see on my name tag, how can I assist you today? Yabo nomlungu okay, oh hi, my name is Nick, I'm searching for an SUV, what's your budget, are you looking to pay by finance, or are you looking to get it financed, or are you willing to buy cash? they just want to buy cash. But no, I am looking to buy cash. But if the finance is good, if the finance is good, then this is an advisor. If you're buying cash, these are the benefits. If you buy on finance, also these are the benefits. Ukhuluma nanje lapho mfowethu wena angithi with that same energy. Uma into ungayazi ungathi I don't know, yazi proudly say makubuza mhlambe kubuza ngewarranty yemoto. So what's the warranty and service plan? With that, let's say his surname is Jones. With that, Mr. Jones, I'm really not too sure. So it's better that I just include my manager to then help you and for you to get a correct answer. But let me love and leave you. Good night. Cheers. No. With that, I'm not too sure. I don't want to give you false information. Let me just involve my manager in our conversation. Then he will help you. How's that? How's that? Oh, that's okay. Thank you so much. He acknowledged and respect the fact that our phone information misleading. To a point where you invite someone who has better information. So if you invite awulahlekelwa ideal ukukhuluma nje kahle izinto ekanjalo manje ke wena ufuna ukudayisa imoto noma udayisa into udayisa uphinde uqamba amanga futhi yabo kufana noma uzoshaya presentation esikoleni presentation ayimoshaya presentation kuba nesikhathi so questions and answers yabo mhlawumbe you speaking about deforestation yabo bese umuntu reforestation will play a very big impact in. I don't know. Just with the information that I have, I'm not really too sure that it's 100% accurate. But allow me to get back to you if that's okay with you. I'll take your details and be sure to respond to you with correct information. Thank you. Good deal. Now, so that's okay. Yeah, well. Okay. Now, I don't know, but I know that so it's very important, man, to carry the same energy. Yeah. So this thing, maybe understand it. There's a difference between carrying the same energy and being rude. There's a very thin fine line there. Omunye uzothi confident and ukuhlaza. Yabo. I'm confident and you are rude. Confidence and rude are divided with the thin fine line. So maybe there is confidence and there is being rude. Most of the bona logo, confidence and arrogance, exactly. Yeah. When you are confident, you acknowledge what is in front of you, you honor it, and you work on what is at hand. And if you have facts to prove something, you do prove it. When you're being arrogant, you are making your point viewed only. Heard, if I should say. But you're not giving space for others to then express themselves in then understanding or are taking the situation very well. I understand. So there's a fine line there. I always say a conversation is a dialogue. It is a two-way street. One goes, one comes. So if when you are saying you are communicating with a person, job and you're confident and arrogant or being rude also, it's fine from a distance. And when it's time confident and you are being rude. You are being rude. bona phela mase kungadlalwa time nebengidlala udlala ini umuntu ulimele emoyeni wena ubedlala hey hey umkhaya mfowethu ngicela siphuma eceleni bafo mina yaphuma manje la indaba yemoto ngikhuluma emsebenzini read the room very important then but welelo some people can't read the room imkhaya manje njoba ngisho Kim thank you so much for the roses yeah i-curtain is wena i-curtain is right wena ungawarisheki i-curtain is right ukuthi nje mina angilehlisanga ngavave la khenga phezulu because angithi labo the first brick le i-curtain is la bambeka kulokhuzana kwi first brick malibamba i-first brick la vele la ngathi kunokushwabana kancane manje lokhu ngiyalula ngagcina ngilibeke kanje umbhedo wami ubufacele eqaleni manje senginqumisile so ayi get right i-curtain le and also I love sleeping ngibophandle. I love to sleep and look outside, you know. When I'm in bed, I want to see outside, the wind in it. It's okay, kwenzalo. Yeah, chaza manje. Angithi nje ngumele wazi. Otherwise, have a beautiful evening. Case Makesana signing out. Ganza besho, imina lowe. Oh. But ngithi ngiyahamba nakuba ngigift ngapha. Yo. One day ngizoba live bese ngiyathula. Ungasho ukuthi ngimbuke. Ngikhulume lapho kuma comments eke ngithule ngithi. Hey wow. Yeah, wena mafuthi. Hawu hey. Mafuthi. Sengithi mafuthi. Hamba njani? Sodwa. Ngathi ngihamba but izwi lamlimele manje. Nkosi yami we. Good night. Xolitha bethe. Bakithi sibonga. Guess Bakesana is sleeping now, eh? A dose. Nut. Mfowethu ungibiza ngenhlamvu yesende ngenzeni mfowethu wangibiza ngenathi. Umkhapha lo. Yeah, ngiyolala. Sikhona hadebe njani. Ele kahle NYT New York Town. Oh good night. Ungibiza ngenathi ungibiza ngenhlamvu yelokhu za escrotum. Ngenzeni mfowethu ngixolise. Not. Anyway, peace. Umuntu nje ezowenzeka manje umuntu into ezowenzeka manje sizojoin OnlyFans ngempela ngoba imali siyayidinga lento la ayikho lento le. Nosibona mina nje wabona nje ngithenga ibalaclava. Wazi ukuthi mfana ngiyoqala icontent explicit. Ngeke phela.